Hello and welcome. This video provides an introduction to generative artificial intelligence. We will explore what it is and how it works. Get ready to understand AI for content generation. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create new content. This includes text, images, music, and even code. It's all based on patterns the AI has learned from existing data. It creates original content from learned patterns and uses deep learning algorithms. It transforms input into novel outputs and understands context and relationships. Let's break down how generative AI works. First, the AI model is trained on large datasets. Second, neural networks identify key features and relationships in the data. Third, this information is stored in the model's parameters. Fourth, the AI uses these learned patterns to generate new content. Finally, the results are filtered and optimized for quality. Generative AI comes in various forms, each specializing in creating different types of content. Text generation creates human-like text content, such as articles and stories. Examples include ChatGPT and language models. Image generation creates original images from text descriptions, like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney. Audio generation produces music, speech, and sound effects, such as Music LM and voice synthesis tools. Code generation assists in software development by generating code snippets, like GitHub Copilot and Amazon Code Whisperer. Generative AI consists of several key components working together. The core components include training data, neural networks, transformer architecture, and attention mechanisms. The processing layer involves input processing, feature extraction, pattern recognition, and context understanding. Finally, the generation layer focuses on content creation, quality control, output refinement, and delivering the final output. Generative AI has a wide range of practical applications across various industries. In content creation, it automates the generation of articles, blog posts, and marketing copy. For virtual assistants, it powers AI chatbots that provide personalized support. In code generation, it assists software development through automated code completion. In design and art, it creates unique artwork and visual content from text descriptions. For data analysis, it generates insights and predictions from complex datasets. And in audio and speech, it creates human-like speech and sound effects. To effectively use generative AI, it's important to follow some best practices. Use clear prompting, being specific and detailed in your instructions. Always perform output verification to ensure the AI-generated content is accurate and appropriate. Adhere to ethical usage, respecting copyright and privacy rights. And be aware of the limitations of the AI model you're using. Effective prompting is key to getting the best results from generative AI. Provide clear instructions, being specific about what you want the AI to do. Set the context by giving relevant background information. Use a structured format, specifying the desired output format. For example, create a detailed marketing plan for a new mobile app, including target audience, channels, and budget allocation. Or, analyze this data and present the results in bullet points, with key metrics highlighted at the top. While generative AI offers many benefits, it also has challenges and limitations. Accuracy and reliability can be issues, with AI models sometimes generating incorrect information, requiring human verification. There are also ethical considerations, such as bias, privacy, and potential misuse of AI-generated content. Additionally, current models have technical limitations in context understanding and creativity. Some solutions are human oversight, implement review processes and validation steps for AI-generated content. Ethical guidelines are developed and follow clear ethical frameworks for AI usage. Continuous improvement, regular updates and refinements to enhance model capabilities. Clear communication, transparent documentation of AI capabilities and limitations. The future of generative AI is promising, with several exciting developments on the horizon. Enhanced language understanding will lead to more natural conversations and better context comprehension. Multimodal integration will enable the seamless combination of text, image, and audio generation. Improved ethical frameworks will promote responsible AI use. And broader industry adoption will integrate AI across more sectors. These are enhanced language understanding, multimodal integration, improved ethical frameworks, and broader industry adoption. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.